Hey guys, how you doing? It is Jose. I'm here today, obviously, with the video, but today I am going to do 10 animals you could be. Yeah. Ow. Hey guys, I hope you liked the video. This probably was a short video. But yeah, been trying to post some videos lately. Okay, yeah, okay. This next video, you comment down below. This is gonna be for the next video. Comment down below. Try to roast me. This face right now. Comment down below, right there. Try to roast me, and if you do, for the next video, I'll put y'all roasting things, comments, and every time if I think it's good, I will eat these. Okay? They're jalapenos, and they're really hot. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe and like. And I just said that. Okay? Kind, stay alive, live life to the fullest. Jalapeno says bye bye.